transmitting and receiving information using visual signaling of single letter specified in the International Code of Signal. Annex 4. International Distress Signal. The method of transmitting and receiving information using visual signaling of single letters, as specified in the International Code of Signals, involves using specific set of flags, lights, or flares to represent letters of the alphabet and associated meanings. Single letters such as N for November, C for Charlie are used to transmit urgent or common messages, while combination of letters 2 or 3 provide more detailed information. For instance, the signal NC indicates distress and need of assistance. Here's a breakdown of the process. First, visual signaling methods. Flags. The International Code of Signals uses a set of flags, each representing a letter of the alphabet. Lights. Lights can be used to simulate the flashing flags, especially at night or in a bad weather condition. Flares. Red and green flares can be used to signal specific meanings such as distress or the best place to land, respectively. Second, transmitting a signal. Hoisting the flags. The transmitting party would hoist the appropriate flag or flags to spell out the desired letter. Using lights. A person could use a light to flash a sequence that represent the letter. Example, a dot, dash, dot for C. Next is firing flares. Flares can be fired in a specific pattern to indicate a letter or signal. Third, receiving a signal. Observing flags. The receiving party would observe the flag hoisted by the transmitting party and decode the letter or letter being displayed. Identifying lights pattern. The receiving party would identify the pattern of flashes from the lights and decode the letter. Recognizing flare signals. The receiving party will recognize the type and pattern of flares fired by the transmitting party.
Interpreting the signal. Single letter code. Single letter in the International Code of Signal have specific meanings, such as N, November, indicating distress and need of assistance. 2 and 3 letter codes. Combination of letters provide more detailed information, such as medical request or request for a pilot. Supplementary information. Letter can be followed by numbers or other codes to provide additional context. Urgent communication. Visual signal can be used to convey urgent message when other communication methods are unavailable or unreliable. International standard. The International Code of Signal is a standardized by system ensuring that messages can be understood by different people from various maritime backgrounds. Backup communication. Visual signaling can serve as a backup communication method when radio communication is not available.